to another video today. Another Fix It Fake video. And today we are going to be building this IKEA cabinet. So, it is the gray with wood. So, and also we are going to be building this white treasure chest. So, we're going to start with the easy stuff, this. And so, we are going to slit through the easy part, and then take it out. Okay, so these are the materials you will need for the treasure chest. So, first is the simplest part. Sorry, I keep having to unpause and pause it back. So, you're gonna just slide this like that. Make sure these edges are good. And now, here comes the folding. So, first, you are going to fold this piece right here. And then you're going to put in this piece and this piece, the back, then sides, and then you're going to, here, I'll do it from a different angle so you guys can see better. So, see, this is the part, you fold that, then fold the sides, then slip it through the middle, like an oatmeal packet. So, like I said, like an oatmeal packet. Then it should hold like this. Now you're going to fold that upside down, and then this is if you don't want any of the handles or anything like that. You just keep it like this. But I want the handles. It's easier to carry it with this packet of handles. Scissors. There. Scissors. And then going to cut this tape. Okay, so make sure you don't bend it. I should have said that before, because these are really fragile, so they bend easily and it will just bend and you can't use it ever again. Unless you bend it back like me. I actually bent it, then had to bend it back. So, see these 4 holes? You push that in, those 4 holes. it just slips right through. Kind of. Okay. So, well, and that's the only side that has it, so I recommend you keep that side like that. So, it's actually, so when you take it out, you can't take it out, by the way. You can, like, see these little papers right here? They're actually useful. You split this like this, and then put toys right here, and then there. And that's what I'm actually going to do, so I'm really quick going to get it sharp. Okay, so I got a pen instead. So I'm going to write T-O-Y-S. I'm going to slip it right in there. Okay, so now that we got that done, we're going to do the handle. That wasn't actually the handle, that was just a label for toys. So I'm going to rip these papers with the handles. Oh, I thought that was, never mind. Okay, so what you're going to do is get this, line it up with these 4 holes, put it in there, and on the other side, there should be a screw popping up. What you want to do with that screw is put this bolt on it here. Just so you could see better. And I'm going to move the camera like that. Like I said, you're gonna put the screw through one of the holes. And then, see that? We're gonna put this bolt on it, and then twist it. And then you're gonna make sure that's still loosened. Don't tighten it all the way. So, you're gonna put this one in there. This time you're gonna do it for the other side, because you want it evened out. So there, and then you can tighten them, and then so on with the other side. This is the box. So remember, I got these both at IKEA. So, that is half of it. We still have to make the giant half. Da, 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 da. Stay. day. So, now time for this one. Oh wow. Not expecting this. Even though I got it, was not expecting it. So, okay guys, I'm gonna actually end part 1 there. I'm sorry that I couldn't finish the rest of the video. It's just that there's so much stuff going on that I need to start cleaning this up and getting it all done. I'll be back with you in the next video, which should be uploaded a few hours after this one. So, bye!